287,000 Swiss francs for an SUV that weighs nearly 6,000 pounds, and somehow it'll hit 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. That's the part that breaks your brain when you first see the spec sheet on this Bentley Bentayga V8 Atelier Edition. But here's what nobody tells you. This isn't just another luxury SUV with a big price tag and a fancy badge. This is Bentley saying we're tired of seeing people spec our cars wrong, so they did it themselves. The Atelier Edition is what happens when Bentley's design team gets tired of watching customers pick clashing colors and mismatched materials. They brought back 5 legendary Mulliner colors that haven't been available in years, added one brand new finish called Obsidian Crystal, and said, "Here, this is how it's done." And they were right. The exterior alone tells you this is different. 22-inch wheels with bright machined faces and tungsten pockets, chrome vertical vane grille, wing vents etched with Atelier Edition in satin finish. Every detail coordinates like a Swiss watch, but step inside and it gets wild. The cabin uses a color scheme that's never existed in a Bentley before. They took the piano veneer color and matched it to the secondary hide, then matched that same color to the contrast stitching in the Harmony diamond quilting, then carried it through to the headrest piping, then even painted the metal strips that hold the veneers in place. Most luxury brands would call that overkill. Bentley calls it Atelier Edition. Here's where it gets interesting. Under the hood sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 pushing 542 horsepower and 770 newton-meters of torque, 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. Top speed of 180 miles per hour, in something that weighs 2,668 kilograms. The chassis uses Bentley Dynamic Ride, which is a 48-volt anti-roll system that basically cheats physics. It keeps the cabin flat through corners without destroying the ride quality on straight roads. Add all-wheel steering and this thing carves switchbacks like it forgot it's the size of a small yacht. But here's the clever part. While other luxury SUVs give you massage seats and call it a day, this has seat auto-climate. Sensors monitor humidity and temperature at the seat surface and deploy heating or ventilation automatically. Then there's Postural Adjust, which uses air pockets to shift pressure on different muscle groups as you drive, preventing fatigue on long trips. It's the kind of detail that costs millions to develop and most people will never notice, until they drive something else and realize they're sore after an hour. The price? 287,000 Swiss francs fully optioned. That's roughly 270,000 euros or $300,000 depending on exchange rates. Which sounds insane until you realize a base Bentayga starts around 250,000 Swiss francs, and most people option them past 300,000 trying to get them right. This gives you a curator-level spec at a price that actually makes sense. 6 color combinations. Each one pairs an exterior finish with an interior that flows from the paint through the cabin like one continuous design. Light onyx with linen and imperial blue, obsidian crystal with beluga and burnt oak, Rubino with gravity gray and cricket ball. Every combination was obsessed over by actual designers instead of whoever's clicking through the configurator at the dealership. So, yeah, this Atelier Edition breaks the rules. And next time we're looking at something even more unexpected. A luxury sedan that somehow makes 300 miles per hour feel civilized. You'll want to see that. Let me know in the comments which Atelier color scheme you'd choose. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.